Okay, so I put the original speaker back in. It's not the original. I put these in years and years ago. But I was going to upgrade to this fancy one. But it seems that 6.5 Chinese inches is 6 3/4 American inches. You can see where it was hitting the hole. And it's supposed to go all the way in. It wouldn't fit. So they're going back. I got the track lubed up, and next on the list I'm going to try and replace this crappy weather seal and install one on here because it doesn't have one. We'll see how that goes. Now I guess the question is, which one goes where? This is the foam I'm going to put in the door. No labels. Alright, this is going to be fun. Alright, we got some insulation in there, which, if you can hear it or not. So I think that's worth it. We got the new rubber in. It was a little bit of a bitch to get out. I had to stick a screwdriver in and kind of bend it to release the clips. Got the new one on here. So aside from taping this up, I wanted to show you the inside. I'm going to tape that back up. I'm going to put the door panel back on. And I'm going to spray some WD-40 down in there before I put the panel on. But, yep, coming along. Coming along. No bugs allowed. And about, maybe half hour later, the door is done. I cleaned it. Everything works. Not sure what to do about that yet. I might paint it. But we are all done. This is the kind of weird shit that happens here all the time. I don't know why they do it, but it happens almost every day. Anyway, one door down. That's cracked. I have to get a new one of those. One door down, 3 to go. At some point I'm going to have to replace that hinge. That should be fun. Alright. Well, I'll show you the speaker works, but copyrights and all that. Three more to go. And a mess to clean up.